Today I'm in Sault Ste. Marie and I'm pretty excited because we put together a summer bucket list that can be completed in the 3.5 miles between Rotary Park and the Soo Locks. Now some of these things on this list are absolutely my favorite things to do in the world. Let's go. The first up on the bucket list is paddling, and yes, it is my favorite, paddling with the freighters. It's the furthest east you're gonna be in this 3.5 mile stretch. What you're gonna do is put in at Rotary Park, paddle all around the islands, and then the ships will be coming around the corner. Let's go paddle with the ships, and just remember, you wanna maintain a safe distance, but they're big and intimidating enough that that kinda happens naturally. All right, here comes the lead trigger coming around the corner. Big salute there from the H. Lee White. Bucket list item. We're going on one of those boats. The last time we went through the locks, we actually paddled through it, but then we had a bunch of people saying that they wanted to go through it because they didn't think that there was any way to be able to do it yourself. And so our thoughts was this time we're going to go on the boat tour and show you how you can go through the locks that way. It's a regular family outing for us. There we are. We're on the Voyager. Oh, you can actually track us? Yeah. We're heading towards the locks. Nice. That's crazy how close you get to these things. So that was through the locks, and now we're gonna go hit up 2 more spots, which one of them is right there. We're going to the Valley Camp, and then we're going right over here to the Tower of History. Wow, I'm bad at pointing. There it is, the Tower of History. We'll knock those off the bucket list. See, I think the reason why I like this 3.5 miles is no matter what you're doing, there's always a freighter or something like that as the backdrop to what you're doing. So we're going to mini golf, and then that's just right there. The only thing that matters on the bucket list is we have to hit a hole-in-one, and it has to be legitimate too. You don't get do-overs, so you only get 18 tries. First shot. That's not gonna be it. Oh no. Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? No. No! I thought that was gonna be it. Just in case. Yeah! No way!
Last hole. Hole in one. I mean, there was a lot going on with that shot to have me win this championship, and I just am happy to be here. Check hole in one off the bucket list. Hole 18.
I think I'm gonna go with dark sea salt and caramel. Peanut butter cup for sure. Yep. I think that we should go maple walnut. A lot of fudge.
Let's do a test flight.
All right, test flight for fudge. Let's go.
I'm going peanut butter cup.
Dark chocolate caramel.
I was right.
Yeah, that is so good.
It is really good. I love peanut butter stuff so much, but like that one, that chocolate is delicious.
That is seriously good. The great debate in Sault Ste. Marie is which burger is better, West Pier or Clyde's. So on our list, I actually put eat at West Pier or Clyde's. If I had a real recommendation, I would say eat at West Pier and Clyde's and decide for yourself. And I'm not gonna tell you which one is better because it's the easy way out, but I like them equally and I probably get them equally. So I say or, but the real way to do it is and.
Rooftop IPA.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. One of the things on the bucket list was a 1,000-footer selfie. Here we go.
The reason why we put these bucket lists together and then go and complete all the tasks is to hopefully inspire somebody to go out and have their own. Now don't get me wrong, I would love if someone took this list and did every single thing on there. In fact, I'd love to hear from you if you did. But the point of these things is to go out and then build your own adventures and build your own bucket list and knock some things off of yours. Until next time, cheers.